So here we are, 6 days or so later, finalizing all the details of the listing. There was a little bit of confusion about Fuse 22 and what that meant, but we navigated through all of that and boom, listing became approved. And then it goes on to scheduling, and the scheduling is kind of an interesting process. And so you'll see later on in the video where we kind of detail some of the methodology behind how they go to set these auctions and then how they order them. So pretty exciting times. We went live today, November 12th. And then Thursday, November 19th is when the bidding ends. And I'll give you a little secret. We got off to a decent start. There are people looking. Oh my goodness. There it is. We're live, and you turn your back for 5 minutes and people start bidding really high. All right, let's see what's going on here. Auction is live. V8 Vantage. Good luck. Yeah, let's see. We close at 2:10 Pacific time next week, which is 3:10 here in Arizona. So yeah, let's keep our eyes out for that. But let's see what's cooking so far. All right, we are already 5 bids deep, 10 grand in with 1 comment. Let's see. There's a comment. Is it good, bad, or question? Oh, look at that. A little respect and love right here. Let's give a love to At the Helm here, who started the bidding. Got us to 10 grand in a very short period of time. But wait, let's pretend it's not about me for 1 second, and I am actually trying to help you understand what the process of offering your vehicle on Cars and Bids looks like. I learned a couple things today from being at these auctions. So if I just, let me go to this auction and go to auctions over here. So what I watched 3 or 4 auctions end today, and you can see how tomorrow's auctions all end within 20 minutes of each other. So there's this sequencing, and the cars on the block tomorrow are here. So there's, what's that, 3, 6, 9, 12 cars, which I think is seemingly, at least from the very little research I've done, about the most they offer in a day. So this is the first to go, and this one here will be the last to go. And then if we scroll all the way down, these are all the auctions ending in the next 7 days. We'll find that mine is last on the block 7 days from now. Now, I'm not sure if that's a privileged spot or not, but I was watching these auctions. Well, where are they? Here we go. These auctions today. And this was the last car to go today. A pretty cool 90s MR2 with a rebuilt motor. And then I watched this NSX go here for a really cool number, a big number too, 111,111. Not a patch on the MSRP, but still a big number to go in an auction site like this. And I did enjoy watching the Boxster go, for anyone that follows the channel, knowing that we have the Spider on the channel as well. So here we are ready to go 7 days from now. And yeah, 20 minutes apart. And then within these auctions, so if we go in to this one. So then you've got this social media feeling vibe to it, where you've got comments flying in, and then you kind of get uprated, similar to Reddit. And so I was following this one pretty closely, just because from where I sit, you know, I'm pretty close to Porsches and Boxster specifically, so felt like I had a duty to chime in. And it's kind of fun watching these auctions go, especially if you have any fondness or familiarity with the vehicles. The other things to look out for is I've been trying to watch these comment counts, and it seems like the more engaged auctions have 100 to 125-ish, and I haven't checked a lot, but a few comments. The bids tend to be in the 20s to 30s. And then the bid action, as you can see here, there were 32 bids, and quite a handful here take place in the last 30 minutes or so. So I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty pleased that on the Vantage here, we're seeing some early action take place. And so definitely going to like these guys for showing up here and offering some cash down for the car. So yeah, watch this space. I'll post the link down below and get in on the bidding. It's fun. Plus, If you're really good at bidding, you get to win this beautiful car. Man, oh man, it's all underway now. So I'm going to push this link around for a few of you to have some fun with. Check it down in the comments below. And if it is before November 19th, 2020, you still have a chance to get your hands on this fantastic 2007 V8 Vantage, hand-built by our friends at Aston Martin over in Warwick, England, my home nation. So thanks for checking in. Keep an eye on this. Bid it up all you want. I won't be mad at you. Thanks for checking in. Be memorable. Be well. And yeah, I'll probably throw up a couple of videos along the way here. Maybe do some live streaming too. Who knows? See ya.